How to buy Spotify Premium with Fampay. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is to add your Fampay as one of the payment method on your Google Pay, since Google Play is on the only option that has Spotify Premiums as one of the payment options. Now, just simply open up your Google Play Store and then just head directly over to your profile or account at the top right portion of your screen. Now head over to payment subscriptions, and then in here you see four options: payment methods, subscriptions, budget and history, and redeem code. Now head over to payment methods, and then this is where you will have to add manually your FamPay. So if it's going to be an credit or debit card, then just choose on these relevant option in here. Now, once you have successfully added FamPay as your payment method, then you can go ahead and log into your Spotify account. Now, on your Spotify account, just head directly to Premium, left side of Create, and then choose on the specific subscription or plan you want to. For example, this one right here. In here, just simply choose on Google Play, and then just go ahead and continue on paying with Google Pay, and then just change it over to FamPay. And that's it. That's how you buy Spotify Premium with FamPay.